Hey everybody, I'm all Nike'd out today because I'm going to show you the Nike dri-fit with Cynaps installed. So here's the look. This is inside, and this is outside. This is how it looks on me, and this is how it sounds. This is what everybody else hears on medium volume, and this is what you hear when it's on your head. And this is just on medium volume. We'll put it on maximum volume. You can vibrate your head off if you want to, but medium volume is what most people will be happy with. So that's it.